Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about how to propagate the sedum, rubrotinctum, or in common language it is called as the sedum jellybeans. Okay, so you can see that this is one of the result of our sedum jellybeans. Now I am adjusting the cam so that you can see it properly. Okay, let me zoom it a little bit because it is a little bit blurry. So okay, wait, let me zoom in some more like this. Okay, now you can see it properly. Okay, now you can see that within like 25 to 30 days I just used to place these leaves on the on some media like this soil. You can see the media on in my background. So I just put it, and within 30 days you can see the baby plant growing on the tip of the leaf as well as the roots. And this is the second one, and its baby is a little big. Okay, although the mother leaf is dying now because the mother leaf has given the birth to a new baby plant. So now all of its nutrients are now transferring into the baby plant. Okay, now you can see even the roots. Okay, and I do not even use to bury them. Okay, bury their tips. I just place them on the soil and it is the result. Now this is the third one. You can see it. Due to excessive zoom in, maybe the quality is a bit low, but however you can see it. Okay, you can see it. Now these are the roots. Yeah, this one, these are the roots and the baby, but this baby is obviously small as compared to the last two one. Okay, now okay, now this is the last one, and you can see that its leaf is now totally like now wilted up. You can see the lines on it which shows that now the leaf is going to die in some days. Okay, yeah, but if the roots are concerned of this baby has a very good rooting system. You can see it. Okay, and I have just placed them in just air you on the media. Okay, I do not use to bury them. I do not use to like put them under the soil, the tips of the leaves. Okay, so okay, now I'm focusing my cam on the baby plant. Okay, now you can see it properly. Okay, now one more thing that but still I'm not recommending that you are supposed to just place them on the media side. Okay, in here the best technique is to like put it in the soil. The tips of the leaves must be under the soil. Okay, so that its roots do not used to be deteriorated. Okay, yeah, because if because the evaporation from the roots, the evaporation of the water from the roots can make them make them dead. Okay, so that is why you should have to keep the roots under the media. Okay, now I'm using just simple garden soil which is having some moisture in it. Okay, it is just like the mud. Okay, but you can even grow them in mud. Okay, why it is so? Because they are a little bit hardy. Okay, the one thing which can be dangerous for these succulents is the amount of water. Okay, yeah, but it doesn't mean that if you give it water for one day, excessive water for one day, and they used to die. No, it's not like that. Okay, yeah, if you give them a lot of water for several days, then it can die. Okay, so because they are a little bit hardy, and all the other members of like Rasula family used to be are able to propagate from the leaf. Okay, so now I have put all the all the leaves under the mud. Okay, okay, now I am putting one more succulent, but that is not the sedum jelly bean. Okay, that is like some sedum adolphi or like that. Okay, so now you can see that all of the leaf roots are now under the soil. So in this way you need to, but if you want to make the media for this sedum jelly bean, then the best thing is to like add a lot of soil sand. Okay, okay, one more thing, the temperature is like 8.2 degrees Celsius. Okay, and it is like it is a bit difficult to initiate the germination from leaves, okay, at this temperature. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.